What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be at Blue Goose Hollow Trail, and we're on the riverwalk, kind of just walking around the Tennessee River, and we're going to see what we can see. All right, just kind of more of like a adventuring, exploring kind of video, and we'll see what we get. All right, see you in a bit. I feel if you're not like exploring your city, you're really not understanding like all it has to offer. It's funny, these people that live in cities that they spend their whole life there, and I can show them brand new things, which is crazy. You know, they're like, oh, I never knew that was here. It's like, get out, explore, see what your city has to offer. So we're here at Scotty's on the river, which I actually worked there for like 2 days, and I realized immediately those people are assholes. The cook is such an asshole that I just could not stand working with her. But either way, the area is pretty cool. We got really cool boat docks. All the fancy rich people get to park their little mini yachts out here. So that's Scotty's on the river. Very overpriced, but good food. The funny part is the hotel that the restaurant is in, they absolutely hate Scotty's on the river. And they don't want like the customers using any of the hotel restrooms. They don't want the employees ever coming in there. And it's just kind of like a weird, terrible dynamic, you know? So sometimes when you have bad vibes, you just gotta get out of that. You don't wanna be just hanging around or lingering in places that you just don't feel right. You know, I don't feel like you're gonna have the best experiences in those kind of atmospheres. Got a little family of ducks over here. We're gonna go down and say hello. Gotta keep the snacks for the ducks. They love the Rice Krispies. Look at that. A nice fishing lure. I'm taking that home with me. You guys want some food? Wow, good catch. Good job. I feel bad for the lonely guy out there. He's got to get something too. Alright. There you go. Good job. Got it. Oh, I like the gray one. He's very crafty. Alright guys, time to move on. That was fun. It's funny how like on some of these dreary days, you never think you're gonna like go out and have a good time, but everything is turning out pretty good so far. Never look out the window and be like, should I go out today? Because it's a little, you know, rainy or a little stormy, a little cold. Bundle up, get your clothes on, and adventure. You'll probably see way more things than you thought you would have saw. Right, so we're walking upon the Chattanooga riverboat. It's called the Southern Belle. And I guess it just floats up and down the river, and it has a really nice interior, kind of a little fancier, but you get a chance to just enjoy the evening on the Tennessee River, and you get a chance to grab a bite to eat. And I think there's like a little bar in there too. Seems pretty interesting. I wonder how much it costs. So I guess this is where the duck tour entrance is too. Interesting. Yeah, it's closed off though, you got a gate. So I guess we can't go in there today. Wouldn't doubt if you have to have reservations to go on it. But it seems pretty cool though. It's like one of them old school like New Orleans gambling boats. I don't know if you can gamble on there, but that'd be pretty cool. Got like a mini switchback going up and around. Of course I had to take the long way. Well, this gets annoying. I was like, this is gonna be cool. No. It's like walking 9 times farther than you need to walk. There's the Hunter Museum of American Art. The Walnut Street Bridge right there. Alright, here's the Hunter Museum again. Oh, I don't think I saw this guy before. Woman in dress with star. Fun little walking bridge. That'll definitely give you anxiety. I like the fact that the bridge has the fairy lights now. And I guess they got a little food slash restaurant type place right there, so if you want to grab a bite to eat when you want to walk the bridge, or if you want some beverages while you're walking the bridge, cool little spot. It's called the Cream Show, Ice Cream Show. All right, here we are. Let's take up the drone, see what we can do. All right, what'd you guys think? Cool drone footage? Hopefully you guys had a good time kind of just coming out with me. There wasn't really anything going on, so I wanted to get some shots of the city. I'm gonna be putting together a living in Chattanooga vlog real soon, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I just needed to get some footage, and came out pretty magical. Yeah, so we'll see you guys on the next vlog. All right, take care guys, bye.